Nice place, but it's not about the coffee or the place, it's about the people that come here. It's about people that are creative, it's about people that do things and make things. It's about exchanging ideas or motivation and all these kind of things.
We're proud of this shop because we can say we've built it with our own hands. We didn't hire companies or architects and designers. We just took the stuff we had and we've built this place. We have shipped in our furniture from back home and materials, even the floor, and we've built it within the last 2 years. So this is what this place is about. It's about people that do things with their hands. It's about people that are creative and make things.
They're all from aunties and uncles back home. There's an old sewing machine my dad used to use back in the day. So all the furniture you see, either mine or we made them here. The tables we built from cut-offs from scrap, and we have some couches and armchairs from Frank's office. So we gathered all furniture together and hope we give it a use now.
We build probably 2 or maximum 3 bikes a year. We have special customers that come with special requests. So we're not working on servicing bikes, we really focus on building something like one of a kind. This engine we replaced. There was an engine that blew up and we used the old engine and made it our cold brew tap. So we would start with coffee only. We would start serving coffee, and later on the plan is to serve food as well. We will not have a certain cuisine, a certain name for our food. It's going to be food, just food like back in the day. We want it to taste good, but we call it food. Stop&Go is a premium tire facility in Dubai, wherein we offered a class experience to our customers who have requirement of tire change and other mechanical jobs required for their cars. Here is our mobile service van, which is there to give you service at your doorstep. And we also have a BMW 7 Series at your disposal. For anyone who has to be dropped back home, he is there, a software-driven service.
name is Ricardo, the marketing manager for Stop&Go. We are giving away this cap plus 50% off on wheel alignment. Just answer the following question. What brand has launched color tires? Write it down here. Thank you.